Today we're going to check out the StellaPro Reflex. All right, everybody, so today we're going to do a photo shoot, and I have in my hands for the first time, they're fairly new, I think, the StellaPro Reflex. Well, they're new to me. And so what we're going to do here is just kind of high-level review. I'm not going to go into every feature here, but we're going to actually use them on a real photo shoot. So one of the things to keep in mind here is they come with these Fresnel lenses, if you will, and they come in a wide, medium, and spotlight. And so I've got a bunch of them to work with, and they're super easy. Like, look how light and compact this is. Now, to be fair, this is just the head, not the battery. And so I do like that. It has interchangeable batteries, which makes it incredibly versatile. And then with the Fresnel lens, you just put that on like that. So it just kind of twists in. And then the battery pack, super light, snaps in. And then what'll happen is you've got a USB-C to power it. And so this is a pretty small form factor. This can be put on a light stand. It could be handheld. And it's got a little strap here on the side. You slide your hand in there. I'm not going to use it. They thought through the product, I think. And so what we're going to do today is we're going to use these. I've tried putting them in a softbox. They do have softbox adapters, but with the softbox, it's going to lose several stops of light. And I didn't like what I was seeing out of there. But with lights like this, I'm always conscious. I just feel like they're going to be hard. It's going to be hard light, not flattering. And so we're going to do it without a softbox, and we're going to use just the Fresnels here. And for the model, I'm going to use the wide, right, because I want the most dispersion across her body. And then for the hair light, I'm going to use a CTO gel. So they have glass gels that you use, right, because these things are going to get hot. You can't use plastic with them. And so they've got glass gel. So I'm going to use a CTO gel to create that warm light behind her. And then we're going to put these on light stands, and let's just kind of see what the results are with this. And they are quite powerful. And so as we turn them on, I'm just going to kind of show you here. I don't know, I'm sure we're going to blow highlights here. These things go pretty high in lumens. And so as you turn it all the way up, you're going to you'll hear that fan kick on. But it only kicks on if you go all the way up to about 6,000. And honestly, I've not shot with it at that high. So just doing some test shooting around the studio, I've been at around 1,400. And that's been plenty of power. And if it's dark out, I would imagine you could probably get away with that 1,500. And so it's just incredibly versatile, and I cannot explain to you. It's really portable, really lightweight. And so let's just stop talking about it. Let's get on a photo shoot with it. So what I'm going to do with this light is I've got a CTO gel on it, and I'm going to turn this up to about 3,000, I think. We'll see how it looks. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to fire that right into the lens. I want this warm glow. She's wearing a yellow top with sequins on it and some glitter paint. I think this warm glow firing into the lens is going to look really good. So let's see what that looks like. All right, now what I'm gonna do is switch to a 50mm lens. I actually wanna see that light in the background. Gives it kind of a Hollywood set sort of vibe. We've already got this kind of Egyptian look. Chin down, I like that. So you go with a little wider lens, have that in the frame, so it's not like we're trying to hide it. And that's just a really cool vibe, especially on this background. Then if you want, you could edit the light stand out. Chin this way just a dash. Beautiful. And so these images are looking incredible straight out of camera. Beautiful. All right, everybody, that is a wrap. Hopefully you love those pictures. Let me know down in the comments which one was your favorite. Let's give a huge shout out for Shelby. She did awesome in her Egyptian, urban, funky costume, but those images turned out absolutely incredible. But the StellaPro Reflex, this was just down and dirty. I just got my hands on it, wanted to do an actual photo shoot with it. Super easy to use, well built. It's gonna cost you, they're not cheap, but they are incredibly versatile, as you can see in the shoots. Again, let me know which one was your favorite. We'll see you in the next video.